Hello, my name is Ummirah Binti. Azizan metric number is 270131. Today I would like to present about construction machinery in chapter 11. Classification of construction equipment consists of earth-moving equipment, hoisting equipment, hauling equipment, conveying equipment, aggregate and concrete production equipment, pipe driving equipment, tunneling and rock drilling equipment, and the last one is pumping and dewatering equipment. Operation involved in construction of any project. Number 1 is excavation. Number 2 is digging of large quantity of earth. Number 3 is moving them to the distance which are sometimes fairly long. Number 4 is placement. Number 5 is compacting. Number 6 is leveling. Number 7 is dosing. Number 8 is grading. And the last one is hauling. Excavating and earth-moving equipment consists of power shovel, backhoe, dragline, clamshell, scraper, and bulldozer. Hauling equipment. The equipment used for a transportation of material are known as hauling equipment or simply haulers. Haulers may operate on the roadways or railways. It involves transportation of building materials, carriage and disposal of excavated earth, haulage of various construction equipment. Next is hoisting equipment. Hoisting is the lifting a weight from one location and moving it to another location which is at a reasonable distance. Big projects such as construction of dams, industrial building, etc. require hoisting equipment. Hoisting equipment include jacks, winch, chain hoist, and cranes. Crane is the only single machine which as a single piece is capable of providing three-dimensional movement of a weight. Cranes are broadly classified as stationary or derrick cranes, mobile cranes, overhead or gantry cranes, traveling cranes, and tower cranes. The advantage of using conveyors are as: Number 1, it increases the output. Number 2, it facilitates continuity in operation. Number 3 is it results in time saving. Number 4, there are no waiting periods. Some of the popular conveyors are as follows. Number 1 is bag conveyor. Number 2 is screw conveyor. Number 3 is bucket conveyor. Number 4 is aerial transport. Next is aggregate and concrete production equipment. Aggregate has to be produced at the site if the quantity needed is very large. Therefore, in any project where concrete requirement is very high, an aggregate preparation and processing plant is essential to complete the concreting operation. Aggregate production consists of two stages: recovery and processing. Basic materials such as stone is recovered from a rock quarry or from the river bed, and processing is done, which consists of crushing, grading, washing and stockpiling of aggregate. For the aggregate production equipment, crushers are used mainly to reduce the size of large stone or rock to smaller uniform-sized aggregate required for concrete mix. Crushing consists of pressure, impact, and attrition, a combination of this operation. The last one is pipe driving equipment. The process of pipe driving involves lifting the pipes into position, holding it to the refusal or to a specified depth. Driving is accomplished through hammering the pipe top with a hammer. Equipment are so designed for driving effectively at an economical cost. Major pipe driving equipment are pipe driving rings and pipe driving hammers.